So not only are we trying to get people some beautiful plants to put in their yard, but we're really trying to help out our wildlife and trying to also make sure that people are aware that planting things that aren't native or maybe invasive is actually detrimental to our wildlife. So my name's Hannah, and here are some tips to incorporate native plants into your yard. I find an area in my yard that I can figure out what the sunlight is doing, how much moisture it's going to get, and what that soil type is like. I love to incorporate species that are going to bloom at different times of the year. What this will do will actually give you an array of different wildlife that will utilize your yard throughout the seasons. I always recommend people do a lot of research beforehand. Some native plants, like I mentioned earlier, do not have boundaries, so they'll grow wild and free as much as they want. You have to be very meticulous and ask the right questions to that plant and try to figure it out before you take it home with you and put it in your yard. Here we have a great plant for beginner native plant gardeners. Coneflowers can live in a variety of different habitats, soil types, and sunlight conditions, which makes it perfect for nearly any garden. Blue mist flower seeds into the garden very well, meaning that it will spread and you'll have more of these plants, which means more butterflies and more bees.
If we've got one person that puts one coneflower in their yard, there's that much more opportunity for native biodiversity, native pollinators.